Hello students, in our today's class we are going to discuss about finding missing frequency when mean of the data is given. Let us understand this concept by taking two examples. Okay, let us see first example. Let us see this example. In this example you can see find the value of P. Here P is the unknown frequency. We have to find out this unknown frequency with the help of mean, which is given in the question, that is 7.5. So in our previous problems what we have done, they just give you all the frequencies and also we find the mid values from the given class intervals and we use the formula of mean to find out the mean of the given distribution. But in this example we can see that one of the frequencies is missing, and in place of that frequency a variable is obtained, that is P. So now we have to find out the value of P to know the frequency of this distribution. To identify that missing frequency, we take the use of 7.5, that is mean. From the table you can see 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. These are all nothing but mid values. In our previous problems they have given class intervals and we find the mid values, but in this problem the mid values are directly given in the table itself. The values are noted like 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Now frequencies. What are the frequencies given here? 6, 8, 15. One frequency is given a variable, that is P, 8 and 4. These frequencies are taken here, 6, 8, 15, P, 8 and 4. And now according to the formula of mean, we know the mean formula, that is x bar equal to sigma of Fi xi. Fi means frequency, xi means mid values. So to find out this value, first we have to take out the product of frequency and the mid values. To find out the mean, first we have to take the product of frequency and mid values. Here the product of frequency, how we will get this product of frequency and mid value? That is 3 into 6 is 18, 5 into 8, that is 40, 7 15s are 105. Here 9 into P is 9P. Again 11 into 8, 88, 13 into 4, 52. So now we got the product of frequency and mid values. So according to the formula we have to take summation of this product of frequency and mid value. So we are taking the product sum here, that is 18 plus 40 plus 105 plus 88 plus 52. When we add all these numbers we got the result as 303 plus this 9P. Now let us take sum of all the frequencies here. 6 plus 8 plus 15 plus 8 plus 4 is nothing but 41, and there is a variable P also. So 41 plus P. We know x bar equal to 7.5 sigma Fi xi, value is 303 plus 9P, sigma Fi equal to 41 plus P. Now according to the formula, sigma x bar equal to sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi. 7.5, x bar value is 7.5 equal to 303 plus 9p by 41 plus p. Taking this 41 plus p to the other side, we'll get 7.5 into 41 plus p equal to 303 plus 9p. 7.5 into 41 is 307.5 plus 7.5 p equal to 303 plus 9p. Taking all p one side and the constants on other side, we'll get 307.5 minus 303 equal to 9p minus 7.5p. We'll get 4.5 here equal to 9p minus 7.5p equal to 1.5p. Transposing 1.5 to the other side, we'll get 4.5 by 1.5 equal to p. 1s are 3s are, so p equal to 3. Therefore the missing frequency value is 3. Now let us see one more other example. Find the missing frequency of the following distribution if it is known that the mean of the distribution is 1.46. Here the xi values are given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Frequencies are given 46 and here one frequency is missing. Here one more other frequency is also missing. Next frequency is 25 and the next one is 10 and the next one is 5. Total frequencies are given 200. Mean is given 1.46. Now let us find out the missing frequencies. So the xi values are first taken as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all given in question itself. Given. These values are all given in the question. Now let us take the frequencies. First frequency is 46. This is given. And the second frequency is not given, so we are taking it as f1. We are taking it as f1. And the third frequency is also not given, so we are taking that as f2. f2 as the second frequency, third frequency we are taking, and remaining frequencies are given 25, 10 and 5. According to the formula, first we have to find out the product of mid values and the frequency. Here the first mid value is 0 and first frequency is 46. 0 into 46 is 0. Next, second mid value is 1 and here the frequency is f1 which we have taken. So 1 into f1 is f1. Here the next mid value is 2. 2 into f2 is 2f2. 3 into 25 is 75. 4 into 10 is 40. 5 into 5 is 25. So with this we got all the product of frequency and mid values. Our next step is to find out sigma of fi xi. That means summation of all these. That is 0 plus f1 plus 2f2. Anyway, these are two are variables. We no need to add them now. Let us first add 0 plus 75. 75 plus 40. 115. 115 plus 25. 140 plus f1 plus 2f2. So total fi xi values are 140 plus f1 plus 2f2. Sum of the frequencies. Here the frequencies are given Now sum of frequencies sigma fi is denoted in this problem as n. Otherwise we can directly write sigma of fi also. I am taking sigma of fi in place of n. Now adding up these two, 46 plus 25 plus 10 plus 5 is 86 plus remaining two frequencies, that is f1 plus f2. But in question it is given sum of all frequencies 200. Sum of all frequencies 200, that is sigma of fi is given 200. But from the solution we got sigma of fi value as 86 plus f1 plus f2. This is the value we got from the table, but the given value is 200. Now let us take this 86 to the other side. We'll get f1 plus f2 equal to 200 minus 86. f1 plus f2 equal to 200 minus 86 is 114. Let us take this as equation 1. Given x bar equal to 1.46, and according to the formula x bar equal to sigma fi xi by sigma of fi equal to sigma fi xi value we know, x bar value we know, and sigma of fi value is also we know that. So x bar value is 1.46 equal to fi xi value is 140 plus f1 plus 2f2 by sigma of fi, it is given 200. After taking 1.46, 200 to the 1.46, will get 1.46 into 200 equal to 140 plus f1 plus 2f2. This will become, as two zeros we are multiplying with 200, this will be changed to 146 into 2. These two zeros are eliminated as the point moved towards its right, equal to 140 plus f1 plus 2f2. 146 into 2 is 2 6 are 12, 1, 8 plus 1 9 and 2, 292 equal to 140 plus f1 plus 2f2. That implies, taking out this 140 to the other side, we will get 292 minus 140 equal to f1 plus 2f2. After subtraction we got 2 minus 0 2, 9 minus 4 5 and 2 minus 1 1, 152 equal to f1 plus 2f2. This can be written as f1 plus 2f2 equal to 152. Equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. We'll get f1 plus 2f2 equal to 152, f1 plus f2 equal to 114. When we do subtraction, there will be a symbol change, so this will be minus, this will be minus, and this will be minus. f1 plus f1 and minus f1 cancel. 2f1 minus f2 is f2 equal to 152 minus 114 is 38. This is F2 value. Now put F2 equal to 38 in equation 1. Then F1 plus F2 equal to 114. F1 plus 38 equal to 114. F1 equal to 114 minus 38. F1 equal to 114 minus 38 is 76. Therefore, the missing frequencies are 76 and 38. These model problems are very important. Try to solve as many problems as possible. These models will definitely come in 10th standard also. So concentrate more on these models and do as many problems as possible. Thank you all.